Richard Madeley has posted a statement on Instagram after a medical emergency forced him to leave I'm A Celebrity. The star admitted he was gutted to leave the competition as he shared an update with his fans. Earlier today, ITV confirmed Richard had been taken to hospital following a medical issue. Now, the star of Good Morning Britain has announced Hess had to exit the competition. He confirmed the news earlier to his 10,000 Instagram followers, explaining why he had to leave. The broadcaster also sought to reassure his fans how he was feeling much better. He wrote, "Hello all. Richard here, firstly just to say that I'm absolutely fine. I started to feel briefly unwell in the small hours of the morning and was taken to hospital as a precaution. By leaving the camp, I had consequently broken the COVID bubble, and as such I've had to leave the castle and all the wonderful celebs that remain in the camp. Obviously I'm gutted to be leaving so soon, but the safety of all the campmates is the #1 priority." Richard went on to add how he's excited to keep watching the show from home. "I'm incredibly excited to watch their journey continue, even more so at the prospect of being somewhere a little warmer than Greenwich Castle," he penned. "Thank you to everyone who supported me on my brief but completely unforgettable adventure. I've made some great friends and honestly had the time of my life." Following his update, ITV also shared his exit was due to strict protocols surrounding the show. They said in a statement, "Our strict COVID protocols means Richard has sadly had to leave the show as he is no longer in the bubble the celebrities form when entering the castle. He has been a truly brilliant campmate and we thank him for being part of this series." ITV also confirmed no one will be replacing him and that he will speak to Ant and Dec on the show tonight. The star has been inundated with support from his fans following his post. Gem.Smith63 wrote, "All wanted you in the top 3 to win, gutted for UX." Parkey added, "All your health comes first, take care X." Sick, fan Paul_01197 wrote, "Richard, so gutted that you've left. Have been cheering for you from the start, but your health and well-being must come first. Glad you're on the mend, hope to see you back on our TVs soon."